Greetings. I want to speak to you on owning money. You see, owning money is a science. If you realize that money is energy and that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be transmuted. And so you can transmute your energy into the equivalent of money if you understand the inner working of spiritual alchemy. And so if you are familiar with the work of Abdullah and Neville Goddard and how Abdullah taught Neville to travel and to go first class and to have a good life by using a power that he could use to purchase anything, and this power is actually greater than money. That experience which Neville experienced with Abdullah, it is in the Bible where it says, come and buy milk and wine without money. Because you see, you have a purchasing power. You see, and that power is in each and every one of us. And so if you learn how to exchange and how to circulate your energy, you will realize that it's the same how money is being exchanged and circulated all around this world. And it has a certain energy and a certain vibration, a certain frequency. Well, this money energy must be an energy of love. It can be an energy that based on doubt, fear, guilt, shame, condemnation, and you having a religious and superstitious, judgmental, mentality. It must be that you understand that it is your thoughts that is creating your reality and creating your personality, and you understand that everything, as I mentioned earlier, is a transmission of energy. So your brain being a transmitter and a receiver of frequency, through your thought form, you're making transactions. So as you sow, so shall you reap. As a man thinketh in his heart is speaking of his subconscious mind, that invisible part of his existence, that invisible part of his being. So as you think in the invisible world, so shall you receive in the visible world. Remember, money used for purchasing. So it is giving and receiving. And that's what gives you purchasing power. Well, I'm saying that the purchasing power is within you, and it have to do with your mind. It have to do with your psyche. That is why the only how you can transform your life, you're told, but that you must be transformed by the renewing of your mind. So you're renewing your mind. So you can definitely create a money mindset, okay, and shape your life whichever way you want it to be. And that is why the Bible tells you, let the poor say, I am what? Rich. Because you have all of that inside of you. You have all of that energy, which is your consciousness, which is the only thing that creates reality. But you have to become aware that consciousness is what creates reality, and you have to tap in to your innate ability and use that innate ability to transmute it into this physical three-dimensional world as your ability, your gift, what you're called to do, and use it wisely for yourself and for the upliftment of the rest of all of humanity. So, earning money is actually an energy game. It's energy transmission, and it must be done psychologically. So I'm saying to you, tap in to your psyche and see what need to be removed. Because you see, you are the generator, you are the operator, and you are the destroyer. You have to destroy the things that are keeping you in limiting beliefs. You have to destroy the things that want to keep you in judgment and condemnation and self-hate and so on, okay? You have to get rid of those things, and you have to be willing to unlearn, relearn, and be willing to reprogram your subconscious mind. So this message is to help you to work towards reprogramming your subconscious mind to live your life the way you want it to be. You want to flourish. You want to live in abundance. You want to reflect nature. You want to reflect the light of God. And you want that light to shine before the world all will see. Well, I am giving you the key to tap into your innate ability and use it to uplift yourself and the rest of all of humanity. So, with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you'd like to get my latest book, it's called The Secret Vagina, Mystery of the Virgin Birth. I'll definitely encourage you to get that book. And because when you learn about the Immaculate Conception, and you really understand it, you would realize that you can create your life whichever way you want it to be. You would realize that you have to vibrate and your physical level, your psychological level, and also on your spiritual level. You must never live your life on just one level. Most people live their life just on the physical level. And most people were taught to believe in a religion that will keep them on only one level, which is just the physical level. So I'll definitely encourage you to get that book. Also get Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, plus all my other books. And not forgetting the Know Jesus Bible, with a blank space for you to write your name, which is I am, and take back your power and stop give your power away to an idol. You are the one who is the master magician. You are the one who is the master metaphysician. It is you, not a man 2,000 years ago. Also, if you want to be a part of my Patreon community, you're most welcome. However, I have a course there that is called The Inner Sun, Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. And that is for people donating $20 or more. But whatsoever you may desire, I want to encourage you to check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all.